Gainesville, Florida, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Point Siena, or 8 miles east of Haines City, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Point Siena. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.